Hi everyone, I've got to make this quick because this is going to be a huge file if I don't say this quickly. I'm going to sort out my codecs. I know I've been going on about that. I go on about everything. But anyways, so what I'm just going to show you is what I've been working on at the moment. So I'm trying to draw a pixel skeleton. Now I'm just going to show you how far I've gotten so far. You'll probably be impressed, more than likely. If I could just show you what it looks like. Well, this is just this wire is so annoying. Right. This is just the start of the spinal cord. So as you can see, this is like literally like what will be eventually the spinal cord. Although I might redo this again. I'm following this now. Just started following my Sabato Atlas book because obviously it's vastly superior to most diagrams I can find on the internet usually. But yeah, so there's the spinal cord. And I'll just show you what the actual skull looks like, which I have mostly done. However, I do need to refine it a little bit, but it's really well done. This is probably one of the best. This actually is probably the best pixel art I've ever done in my life. I'm not kidding. When you watch, just look at it. Look at that. I mean, hopefully the camera is picking it up properly. But yeah, look at that. Isn't that amazingly well done? I literally drew that. I swear on my life. I followed a skull diagram as best I could, tried to replicate it. It's still not finished. There's a few little problems with it, such as this bit here, and there's all this other sort of stuff. But overall, that looks great, and I can refine it a bit to make it look a bit more, and then break it up into bits to use it as a skeleton mesh. Well, not mesh as in like 3D mesh, but like a skeleton pixel animation mesh type thing. So I can just change bits of the skeleton for different people. Etc. etc. This is just not. This won't be the official pixel skeleton I use for after the games I'm going to make now. I will probably redo this again more professionally with more anatomical knowledge to make sure it looks great. But this is a good start so far. So that's pretty much what I've done. So I'm basically just going through drawing the pixel skeleton, and then once the pixel skeleton is done, I want to use that to use Spriter to animate it. So I'll animate the skeleton, and then once I've done the animations, I'm going to put that into the game just to see how it works, and then after that I'm going to look into putting skin on the skeleton, etc. etc. So that's basically what I've been doing in this game dev vlog. I know it's not a big game dev vlog, and I know the video quality is amazing. Rest assured that after this video I'm going to try and find a better video codec, so that I can make the quality of the video excellent, but at the same time not make it like 26 gigabytes like the last video I made, which is a Soma 1080p gameplay video. I think it's actually in 720p unfortunately, but the video quality is amazing. But it took 5 hours to upload, and that's retarded, so I'm not doing that again unless I'm doing something really hardcore professional and it's going to be like a one-shot video or something, and I just want it to be the best quality and I don't care about waiting for it. Those videos tagging on a bit because I can't be talking for too long, because the longer I talk it's going to be building up. But yeah, so I think that's all I have for this game dev vlog. I will be doing these once a week or once every 2 weeks, I'm not quite sure. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, subscribe if you want, please. And thank you. I'm going to sort out my Patreon page this week, I hope. Yeah. So if I can sort that out, I just saw something that was interesting. It says orbiter over here. I thought that was interesting. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.